Hi guys, my name's Kaylee Loafman. I am a sophomore at Cal U and I am an early childhood education major. I made this website called Miss Kaylee's Classroom for all of the upcoming events and tools that I use throughout this course. So this is my homepage and I just have like upcoming events would be like a field trip, a class picnic, and then graduation. And then I went to tools. If you click right here on tools, these are all the tools I used and put on this website. And I put why use technology in the classroom, and I put a bunch of different reasons as to why. I also include the ISTE standards. And then if you click up here and you go to each one, first is Powtoon, and then I added both of the projects that I created on Powtoon, and I added a pros and cons list, and then how I could use it in my profession. Next is Kahoot. I said what Kahoot is, and I added the pros and cons of Kahoot and how to play Kahoot. And I used how it could be used in my profession. And then this is one of the things I created on Kahoot, which is a student survey. You click on that. And somewhere. Here we go. And then it's this one right here. Go back. Then if you go to QR codes, but where's a QR code? And this is one of the documents I created using a QR code, pros and cons, how to use it in my profession. This is a QR code generator. This is like a website you can go to. I'll show you this. Okay. And this is like a flower lesson activity, and then each QR code pulls up to like a different video or website. And then screencast. Screencast-O-Matic. But what it is, this is my video on screencast of how to use Kahoot. And then this is how to use screencast. There are the pros and cons on how it can be used within my major. Next is infographic. I put what is an infographic and why use infographic and what tools you can use. Piktochart, I used Piktochart as my to create my infographic. The pros and cons, how it can be used within my major, and then here is my infographic. Oh, well, it was on here. Next is Adobe Spark. And what is Adobe Spark? This is how to use Adobe Spark. This is my media life. This is my example. I'll show you in a second. These are my pros and cons. And this is what my media life is like. Let me go back to infographic. I think I know why I messed up. Here we go. I have to log in. Here it is. And then I did why use social media in the classroom. And then this is what it looks like. And then go here. This is my About Me page. And this is just a little bit about me and how I attend Cal U. Here are my goals in the classroom and my college years. family, friends, and then I go to my contact page. And then this is my phone, email, and how you can reach me. And yeah, this is my classroom. This is my classroom page. This is my website. And I hope you liked it.